This lemon looks so sour, but can you guess what secret challenge is hiding at the end? Let's draw a lemon and find the secret challenge. Welcome to Kidz Coloring Art. Hit the subscribe button and let's start drawing. Step 1. Let's draw the slice. Start with a soft curved line, just like a little smile. Now add the outer side of the slice, a nice round curve underneath. Step 3. Cute face. Time to give it a cute face. 2 little round eyes. Draw along with me. You are doing great. Smile. And now the best part, a big happy smile. Let's add a juicy pulp lines inside, like little slices of sunshine. And don't forget, a secret challenge is coming at the end. Now let's draw the whole lemon body around our slice. One big round juicy shape. Every lemon needs a little stem on top, small and simple. And a cute green leaf right next to it. Now let's make it bold. Trace over our lines with the marker so it really pops. And outline done. Look at that. Now the fun part. Let's paint. Look at these pretty colors. Comment below and tell me your favorite color. Yellow, pink, brown, red, orange, blue, light green, black, dark green, and the last one purple. Wow, so many colors to choose from. Let's start with yellow for our lemon's body. And here is a little trick. Let's start with yellow for our lemon's body. And there is a little trick. Leave a tiny white spot for shine. It makes it look nice and juicy. Nice and smooth strokes, filling in that lemon body with sunshine yellow. Now let's color our slice the same sunny yellow. And color in the juicy pulp too, every little segment. Isn't this so satisfying to watch? Look at that, it looks amazing. A little brown for stem. A little brown for the stem and green for our leaf. Remember, a secret challenge is coming up after this. Last touch, a sweet little red smile. Wow, look at our cute lemon, all done. Okay friends, it's secret challenge time. Here is your challenge. Draw this lemon again, but this time give him a sour face, scrunch those eyes and make his mouth go like he just took a big bite. Show me your sour face lemon in the comment below. If you had fun, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next drawing video. Bye bye little superstars.